Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the first day of my school's senior week. So I'm a senior and I'm graduating this year. So the last week of school we do senior week and we do fun things and we don't go to class and stuff. So today is character day and I'm being, well, maybe you could guess it, I don't know. I'll tell you guys soon, and I'm just going to vlog every day of the week what we're doing. So yeah, before I get into this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and follow my Instagram. It's Jennifer Cram with 2 P's. And yeah, let's just get right into this video. Okay, if you guessed it, yes, I'm Dwight Schrute from The Office, and I'm running late, so I'm gonna have to go. Hello. So we're about to play the assassin game. We can't call it assassin though.
It's called Snatch.
So yeah. Okay guys, so we're playing the game right now and it starts in 1 minute, so I'm waiting outside her classroom because I know where she is and I feel so bad, but I'm gonna do it. I died already. It's been 1 minute.
Club going up on the Tuesday.
I love you, bitch. I ain't gonna never stop loving you, bitch.
Okay, I am now home from school. It was fun until the game ended and we had nothing else to do. So tomorrow we don't have school, so I'm probably not going to record. So on Wednesday is tropical day, so I will see you on Wednesday. Hello guys, it is now Wednesday, day 3, well 2, we had an off day, but yeah, day 3 of Spirit Week, and can you tell that it's a tropical day? I'm also going to be filming everything we do today. I think we're doing like backyard games, so like can jams, stuff like that, so it's going to be really fun hopefully, and yeah. Hi. Alright, now we're at Seaport again. Yeah, how do you want to be in it? Hello. This is so awkward.
She's vlogging. So guys, we're at Seaport, right? And I just had this sandwich and I'm just so full. Like I just don't, like I only had half of the sandwich. I'm just pretty much eating ice now. I can't eat anymore. I'm with all my friends.
You're so good.
These are my friends. It's Miss Taylor, Sean.
Hello, okay, I am home now. We didn't end up playing any games today because everyone was taking pictures pretty much every day and signing yearbooks. Really sad. We didn't play games today, so we definitely are tomorrow. It's Color Wars, so we're doing it by elementary school, and yeah. Hey guys. I'm like,
Jen, you need to do it now.
That's your thing? No, like Pat was making fun of me and was like going like that all the time.
We're finding flags.
It's capture the flag right now and we're doing it by school, so we're about to comment down.
So Team Clinton.
Hey guys, so I just realized I really didn't film anything today. We played Color Wars, we lost really quickly, and then we were going to play kickball, but then I didn't end up playing because I'm really bad at sports and I was just not going to benefit the team at all. So instead we just signed yearbooks all day pretty much, and yeah, that was today. Tomorrow is my last day of school and we're doing a barbecue, a slideshow, and everything, so it's going to be a really fun but sad day. So I'm definitely going to record a lot tomorrow, so see you tomorrow. It's 4:20 in the morning. So what my school does on the last day, the whole grade goes to the turf and watches the sunrise. Well, not the whole grade, but like whoever wants to. So I'm going to do that. So dead. Emily. Killer! Oh my god. Okay, so we got t-shirts and we are having a barbecue right now, and yeah, it's kind of sad, not really hitting us yet. Ah! Right on my foot. Hello, Patrick. Yeah.
What's going on, guys?
Are you vlogging?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm so honored.
Hey. Hello.
Oh, it's going down.
Yeah.
Senior week. Hey. Don't cut it out. Wait, I will be really bad.
I just, yeah, we're about to watch the slideshow and we might cry, but
I don't think I'll cry.
yeah, no. There's 20 minutes left of school. Still haven't cried.
Yeah.
We have like 10 minutes left of school. Probably not 10 minutes, probably a little more.
Back in this.
But
Well, for that.
we're going to the turf and we're gonna like do a countdown.
Yeah, I know,
So can't wait. 30 seconds.
I can't back up.
7.